How to clean up voice audio using AI tools. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will use CapCut AI voice tool. So you need to download CapCut from Play Store or App Store, and if you are using PC you need to download CapCut PC. So simply open CapCut. Here we will simply click on new project. Now import a blank pic, or you guys can import the video that have voice. After that I will simply click on audio. Now I will simply click on record, and also if you have recording already in your gallery, simply click on sounds, and after that you guys will click on that file. Now you guys will select device and you guys can import your recording. Also you guys can extract audio from any video. So let's import our audio. Now let's play our voice before cleaning the noise. You guys can see how big is background noise, so I will tell you how you guys can clean that. Now let's enhance our voice and remove the background noise using CapCut AI. So for that, I will simply click on that voice. Now on downside, I will simply scroll till the end. Here you guys will see reduce noise, enhance voice. So the first step will be reduce noise. So simply click on reduce noise. Now we will turn on it. You guys can see. After that, we will click on enhance voice. Here I will turn on it. Also, I will select noise cleanup on 100. So let's do that. You Now our noise and in her voice was enhanced, so let's play it how it was. You guys can see how big is background noise, so I will tell you how you guys can clean that. So let's do that. So that's how you guys can remove background noise or everything that was in background from any recording using CapCut AI. Thanks for watching.